her touch, let you hold some, let you get a handful, baby, she's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips, it's yours, baby, you can crash it on you. Cash out on a video, make 'em cash out to see the road.
House hunting in Nigeria is another job of its own because you need to spend the whole 24 hours of your day looking for an apartment in Nigeria, which you can spend up to like 6 to 7 months in getting a good apartment in Nigeria. Hi guys, welcome to another day of my life. So today I get myself prepared because I need an apartment here in Nigeria. I moved down to Nigeria during December and I decided to have an apartment here in Nigeria before traveling back. I need a convenient space for me to lay my head and I'm moving my business down to Nigeria, so definitely I would need an apartment. So I went to the street of TikTok, I met this agent and this agent brought me down to this apartment. I told him how urgent I needed the apartment and he brought me to uncompleted projects, telling me to make the payments now, that once my payment is being made and the landlord will fix everything that needs to be fixed in the house, then I will move into the apartment the following month. The Nigerian in me rejected so fast because how will I fight for my money if eventually this person run away with my money? The apartment was given everything I needed because I wanted a new build 2-bedroom apartment. And I also want a house that the landlord does not stay in. I want a house that is just landlord free. The two reasons why I did not take this apartment because the apartment was down and I want my apartments to be upstairs. And another reason why is that because it has a mini farm behind the property and they have a dam close to the property and I am scared of any unwanted animal. And my third reason is the landlord stays the next building to the property, which I don't want. Property was going for 1.7 million and total package of 2.7 million. So for me, I called my friend and he introduced me to another agent to show me another apartment very close to Egbeda. The estate is a very nice estate. I love the estate because before you get to these apartments, you need to go through like 4 gates before you get to this building. Of security, I love this apartment and I love the environment. The place is very spacious. When you are getting an apartment in Nigeria, please make sure that you don't follow what the agent tells you because these people literally lie. From heaven is lies and I think they do that for a living. This apartment, I like it actually. It was giving what it should give and it's not that really big, but I love a very cozy apartment. When I go into the bedroom, tell me, why do you want me to rent a bedroom that is as damaged as this? The water damage in the apartment and he lied to me that I can just do the screeding. How can you do the screeding of a decking? This means that this damage has been there even when the old tenant was there. When I got to the toilet, it was nothing to write home about. It was as dirty as hell. Everything in this apartment is seriously damaged because this is a water damage and the landlord is not ready to fix it and I cannot pay my money in renting it, so I told him it's a no for me. I went to another apartment close to the first one he took me to, so literally this is my third apartment I visited in a day. I told you need 24 hours of your day if you're looking for a house in Nigeria. This apartment was upstairs and it was going for 1.3. I cannot rent a house for 1.3 and it's as small as this. The kitchen of this apartment is very small that 2 people can't even stand at a time because there's not enough space for you both to stand. And I love the bedroom. The bedroom was actually big. The sitting room is very small. The rooms are big because it has a wardrobe. Doing the total estimation for the renovation of the house and is a no for me, so I decided to say no. So I call it a day because I was so tired and I need to go home to get something to eat.